How is it going, everyone? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is another one of those shorter ones to where I just throw it out there. You listen to it or you don't, and it's over in 5-10 minutes. What the heck? But today's video is about these bad boys, or what can destroy them. So let's get to it. Now I'll walk you out here in just a second because it's real windy. We got a storm coming and all that craziness. But we'll get out there. I should be out there right now because the sun's out. But what this video is about is because of a fact that happened to me, and I'm kind of disappointed about it, kind of bummed about it, but we'll discuss it here in a minute. But ever since the beginning of time, or beginning of the invention of the car, we have been looking for ways to clean them, protect them, keep them protected. Because let's face it, next to the house, that is the second most important thing that we can buy or do buy. Yeah, the cars. So what am I ranting about? What am I crying about? What am I whining about? Well, you notice they're sitting out there unprotected, right? They're protected with wax, but no car covers. That's what this whole gist of this story is about, car covers. They can destroy your cars. Let me get out here and show you what happened. Now I'll make this quick because like I said, we're out here in the wind. But if you look at this car, all along this front end, scuff marks. Looks like fingerprints, but they're actually scuff marks. Spider webbing, all that good stuff, all along this front end. Try to keep the sun out of your eyes, but as I go across here, you can see it just looks horrible. Scuff marks, scratches, or what look like scratches, all along in there, right? All along in there. Trying to keep the sun out of your eyes and get it to where you can see it. This looks horrible. And it's not just there. It's all along the edge. Right on the edge. All along it. On this edge as well. All along it. All along this edge. Nothing across the back, nothing on the bumper. Just, oh, I am so disappointed. That's why the car's sitting out here all dirty. Like I said, we're supposed to have storms coming. But what happened was, I have a fitted car cover for this particular car. And we've been getting a lot of storms, a lot of wind here in North Carolina this year, this spring. So what happens is the wind gets underneath that cover, and where the cover goes up over the edge, the wind comes up in here and it just whoops it, it buffets it, it vibrates it, whatever you want to call it. So what it's doing is it's constantly sitting here just flopping on that edge, rubbing it. Oh, what a mess. See if I can see any better on this side. It's not coming through in the video right now the way I wanted it to, but I can see it. I know that it's there. It just isn't coming through on the video. See all along right in here? I'm trying to keep the sun out of your eyes. There's just no way to do it, because that's what helps show the marks. But they're all along here. Oh man. All along this edge, on both sides. Nothing on the mirror, thank goodness. All along this edge, all along that edge. Fun, fun, fun. And of course there's nothing on this car because it wasn't covered up. But yeah, car covers. You try to protect them, you try to take care of them, you spend time, you enjoy doing it. You just cannot win. As you can see, I don't have a car, a garage. Won't. But I don't have one at times. I have to cover them up with car covers. After spending hours or days waxing and polishing on these things. So what do? You either put the car cover on it and have a whole day worth of polishing and whatnot to get it off, or you let it sit out there and get dirty and then you just have to wash it and spend all day coating the plastics and the rubbers and stuff whenever you want to go out on a nice clean date, or if you want to go to a car show or whatever. And that's what I'll have to do for that one. I'll have to get out there, I'll have to remove the wax that's on it. I'll take my little 3-inch polisher buffer, because no bigger than what that section is, I won't need my big 6-inch one, but if I do, I'll break it out. I got it right there in the building. I don't think I'll need anything stronger than a polish, because it's not scratched. It's just like little fine rub marks on top of the clear coat, and if the light doesn't hit it just right, you don't even know that it's there. So with that said, with that stated, with that mentioned, with that brought to your attention, I should be able to get it out with just regular polish. I'll test, I don't know, 10-inch section and see how it does. If I need anything stronger than that, well then I'll go to a polishing compound. If I need something stronger than that, which I shouldn't even need that, I will go to the rubbing compound, and then so on and so forth. But yeah, get out there and enjoy those cars, because that's what I wanted this video to be about, was to prevent you from doing that and try to help educate you as far as car covers. They work great if you're in a carport or a garage, but out in the open like this, where they're open to the elements and wind and everything, they're just not worth it unless you want to spend all day getting those scuff marks out. So until then, you guys enjoy those cars. I know I'm going to be, right? But until next time, you guys have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.